Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anne-Marie Cooking Healthy here again. Today I'm here to cook for you another 2 healthy meals. But before I continue, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share with your family and friends so they can join in my cooking journey. So what am I cooking for you today? Today I'll be cooking for you lobster with broccoli and prawns with potato and pak choy. And as you can see here, I have minimal ingredients and all of this will be going in my cooking. So get ready to sit back, watch and enjoy. So as you can see here, my lobster is partially done. I've taken it off the skin, to save time. And my prawns is already clean and deveined. So I'm gonna be washing my broccoli now and chopping my pak choy and peeling my potatoes, and then I start the cooking. So guys, before I start on the lobster, I'll be making the sauce for the lobster, and I'll be using some wicked sticky teriyaki sauce. You can see I didn't add much. And to that I'll be adding some dark soy sauce, and I'll be adding some chili flakes and also some lazy chopped green chilies. The sauce that the lazy chopped chilies in is actually vinegar, so I'm adding a little bit to the sauce. Then you swish it around. Okay, so that's my sauce that is ready. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, just taste a bit. It's spicy, really spicy, but it's delicious.
Enormous, instantaneous.
Careful when you're doing this, guys. In this house we like spicy food. Spicy is the best. Then to that I'll add in my prawns. The meat is almost there. You can tell me, guys. I like to cook seafood because you just spend minimal time in the kitchen. Seafood is the easiest food to cook. Turn the heat down to low heat. So I'll be adding my pak choy now. So now my potato is already cooked. I cooked my potato while off camera. So I'll be draining the potato and add it to this. Let me just bring the heat a little bit back. Bringing my potato, guys. So I'll be adding my potatoes to the bowl. And this is a meal I know the whole family will enjoy. Share and comment and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.